Hello. Yes, my name is Sam D. I have one of the biggest indoor grows in Tulsa, Oklahoma, indoor, total of 13 rooms. I was introduced to the product, a lot of doubts, a lot of question involving terpenes. Is it going to affect on the grow? Is it going to affect on the yield? Got the equipment, amazing team. They walked me through it. They told me the steps that I need to take, the flow of the air, installed it, and knowing Oklahoma having the biggest yeast and mold issue, 99.9999% has been resolved. So I'm seeing a lot of good results from it. I highly recommend it. In this industry, everybody talks the talk, but the question comes down to verifiable. Is it verifiable? The unit is verifiable, and I'm having good results from it. I'm doing room by room. I didn't go replacing all at once because of the industry, as we know, which direction it's going. But in one word, I'm very happy and pleased, and the team is great. The customer service is great. The outcome is amazing. So all good things to say.
Tell us
Hands
a
on.
little bit about the final product, like terpenes and cannabinoids.
That was my biggest speed bump that I was hesitant about, but it's good. I see it on the test results. I have compared it before what I was and after. Beautiful. Same thing, nothing has changed on it. I highly recommend it. Thank you again, and see you guys soon.